Hey you guys, so I'm here with a quick little update on this hair, as you can tell from the title of the video. And you know, I wanted to come on here and talk instead of doing like a little voiceover, because I don't know, for some reason that video is getting a lot of hate. People saying stuff like, oh, you're trying to be white, or oh, you know, you trying to look anything but black. And I'm like, y'all can look at the comments on that other video and just, you know, y'all could go ham on whoever that is. But let me tell you something, that is not the case. This is a wig that I can take off. It's not an issue. Like, I'm not trying to be anything other than myself. Not that I have to explain myself to anybody, but I just had to say that because I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, anywho, I just wanted to let you guys know that this wig is doing absolutely fine. I have not received any type of shedding or tangling really with this wig. I did go ahead and wash it and condition it. Now I must say the curls did not come back to the, you know, the way that it was when I first got it. It was a little more wavier. So all I did to get those curls back, well, these little cute ringlet curls, is I went in with the skinniest wand, or my irresistible mean curling wand, and I just wand curled them. I didn't do them tight. I left it on for like maybe a second or two, and I just let it go. And this is the results of, you know, how it came out. So I absolutely love this wig. I love the hair. I still highly recommend the company to any of you. All of the links will be down below in the description box in case you're interested in purchasing the hair. Like I said before, like, you know, some people are like, oh, you know, I think it's unfair that you do, you know, first impressions. Maybe I should, you know, title my videos first impressions, because I'm just coming on here to show you guys really good hair. Now I know you're like, oh, well, how could you say that it's good hair if you haven't tested it out for a few weeks? Let me tell you something. Whatever hair I get, whether it's good or bad, I know how to take care of it. You know what I'm saying? So to me, in my experience, I haven't really received any bad hair to say, oh, well, at the end of the day, it gets all matted and bunched up and, you know, I can't do nothing with it, because I haven't experienced that yet. So when I come on here and I tell you guys that, you know, the hair is nice, I like it, I can tell from the bundles itself that it's going to be good hair. So if I say it to you, then I mean it. You know what I mean? You don't have to. And just for the record, if I don't do an update video on a lot of these wigs that I make, feel free to hit me up on I'm so sorry, my voice is going out. Feel free to hit me on Instagram or, you know, Facebook, message me, hey Donna, how's that wig doing? Or hit me in the comments and be like, oh, hey, you know, what's the update on that hair? Like, I'll be more than happy to tell you, you know, give you a little update, tell you how it is, and you know, how it's doing, how it's holding up. But you also have to keep in mind, you guys, that I sell most of my wigs, because if I don't, they'll pile up, because I don't wear wigs every day, believe it or not. I don't. I wear them when I go out, or if I have to do something, I'll pop a wig on. But other than that, I'm in the house looking like Buckwheat's grandmother every day. So yeah, this is not an everyday thing for me. So yeah, I mean, like I said, if you want to be updated, just hit me in the comments or in my messages. I'm going to get back to you and let you know. I'm not going to ignore you. I'm not like that. So on that note, everything will be down below in the description box. And if you haven't checked out the first video that I did on this hair, please go ahead and check it out. I'll try to leave that link down below as well. And I'll talk to you all later. Any comments, questions you have, or anything like that, let me know down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Talk to you later. Bye.